In this video, I'm going to show you how to print double-sided on your PDF document. So the first thing we need to do is just go and open up the PDF document on your computer. I'll be opening this in Adobe Acrobat, but you can open this in any PDF reader. So all we need to do is click on Menu in the top left-hand side and then go and click on Print. You can then click on the drop-down arrow next to Printer and go and select your printer from this list. You can then go and configure all of the different printing settings. Now this just really comes down to personal preference. The most important setting that we need to change is this option here for print on both sides of the paper. We're then going to check the box next to flip on long edge, and then you can go and print out your document. Now, if you don't have this option available, either one of two things have happened. If you've only just connected your printer, you may need to go and restart your computer or this application. And once you open back up your PDF file, you should have the option to print on both sides. If you still don't see this option, it's likely that your printer's not compatible for two-sided printing. So I'm just going to go ahead and press the print button at the bottom down here, and that's going to print these two pages on one piece of paper. So that's it, guys. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.